Okay, so in this section of the course, I do want to share a very unique opportunity for anyone who's interested in the money, finance, or motivation niche. So there is an opportunity for you to make up to $100 per anyone that signs up through your affiliate link. And this is actually just by becoming an affiliate for my Finance Simple courses. So how this would work is you would actually get an affiliate link to promote my courses. And so anyone that signs up through your link or purchases a course, you would end up making a commission. So up here, I'm going to have what commission you'd make based on the course that you end up selling. So as you can see, you make a lot of money with the dropshipping course, you make up to $100. And as you can see, the stock market course costs $100 and you make $50 commission from that, which is really nice. So you're basically making 50% commission, and this is very high. And like I said, this opportunity is only available to students inside this course. And the nice thing about this is these are all high ticket affiliate links, so you can end up making a lot more money in the long term and scale faster. And if your goal is to make over $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket affiliate links is the way to go, which is why I am providing you with this opportunity. But anyways, if you are interested in promoting my courses, I'll show you exactly how you can get the affiliate link now. Okay, so inside the course, I want you to go to this section here that says make 100 with your unique affiliate link. Then click on this where it says affiliate sign up page. Then just go ahead and click on this link here. Alright, so now what I want you to do is create an account here. So just put in all your information, then create your account. Alright, so once you create your account, you're going to see this page here, and here is your affiliate link. So anyone that signs up through this link or ends up purchasing a course, you'd end up making a commission from. But there is something I want you to do here, so I want to click on marketing tools. Then I want you to go to my website, which is financesimple.co. So what you want to do here is go to the courses and then go first to the dropshipping course. Then I want you to copy the link of this page. So just go ahead and do that. Let's go back. Now just paste that page link right here, then click here save. Now go back on my website and then go ahead to the stock market course, then copy the link of this page. Alright, now come back here and then go ahead and just paste that link here. Click save. Alright, now here go to the affiliate marketing course, copy the link of this page, and then now do you want to go ahead and paste that link here, click save. Okay, so kind of what I've done here for you is created custom affiliate links for each course. So for example, let's say you want to promote the dropshipping course. You click here, you click copy link, and then anyone that signs up through your link, you'd end up making a commission from them. So now you have an affiliate link for each course if you do wish to promote them. And later on throughout the course, I'll be teaching you more about how you can actually do this and how you can structure it properly. So if you go back to the home page now and go back to marketing tools, as you can see, these will always appear, so you can come back anytime and then get the link if you do wish to start promoting the courses. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'm happy to have you as an affiliate. Okay, so if you got these affiliate links, you're now set. And in the next part of the course, I'm going to show you how you can actually promote these affiliate links so you can start making money. And of course, remember, if you don't want to do this and you don't want to promote my courses or be in the finance or money niche, that is totally fine and up to you. I'm just sharing this opportunity for anyone who's interested. But that's all for this section of the course, and I'll see you in the next part.